I want to do a quick video on the radar rings, HARP rings being seen in California now. So I have you here on the College of DuPage. You're looking at radar imaging of the Doppler radar, and you see the rings forming here and here. So we have two HARP rings that are partially forming. We also have this push here off the coast of the Bay Area. And so why is that? What are they pushing out? Well, this is your, what do they call it? It's called the resilient ridge, ridiculously resilient ridge of high pressure system. Here's where you have your Doppler push off the coast. Here's where your radar rings are forming. Notice one radar ring is forming right at Riverdale, where we've had swarms of earthquakes for the past year. So what do microwaves have to do with earthquakes? Well, why is there a radar ring in an earthquake swarm? But anyways, you can see the ridge here being pushed. Now if we animate this, we can see that they stopped this weather system, and it's going two different directions. It's going south and it's going north. They just stopped this weather system from hitting California. And you saw it. It has to do with radar rings. The earthquakes, as a side note, that's been going on for a while now. We have the Doppler radar pushing microwave energy off the coast, phased array microwave. And then right at this point, if we look across, we can see where the split in the storm is. We have one chemtrail there forming. So you see how they just split this storm. You see that they're purposely creating another drought in California. Again, this is weather modification. This is geoengineering. It's happening real time. This is a real-time map. This is going on right now. We can go back to the radar image, or we can do an overlay. You can see your radar right here where we have all the earthquakes. You can see your push right here, splitting the storm. We have another huge mess of radar in the Sacramento Valley, and then up here towards Eureka, Fortuna. So they're working overtime on this one. It's a big storm. So this is what they produce with all the chemtrails. I'm going to show you videos of that. I have to put all this together. So a huge onslaught of chemtrails creating this storm. I'll give you images of that. And then we got the radar coming up, splitting this storm. It's all complete control. They do have total control of the weather at this point. And if you think the earth is flat, or you think that they can't control the weather, or you think they're just contrails, you're about 60 years behind the times.